Today we've come to another lesson. Okay, please, if you know you're new here and you want to be viewing more of my videos, enjoying most of my interesting video, please subscribe to the red button there and click on the notification button so that you get notified each and every time I drop a new video. And please don't forget to like and drop your comments. Drop your comments, please, and share this video. Thank you very much. And today we want to go straight to the new video. We want to go straight to the video of the day, and I want to show you the 3 basic pattern of jazz for Nigerians. Okay, so let's go straight to the chords. Okay, what am I playing? I'm playing in the key of C, the key of C. Key of C. Okay, so the first chord is D minor 9. The second chord is G13. And the third chord is C major 7. You know, we all know this chord, and it's a very simple chord, though it had a little. It had a little, but it's a very simple chord. I'll just show you how to apply it and play it perfectly. It will work in all your jazz progression, like it's just like the 2-5-1 progression for your jazz music. Okay, so I'll just show you how to use it and how to practice very well. Please, if you're a beginner, though you don't really understand the scenario, but if you're an intermediate player, you really understand it. So this video is not really for, though it's for the beginners also, if you are capable to understand it, but it's mainly for intermediate people. Okay, so straight back to the chord. The first chord is D minor 9. So the D minor 9, we have your D here. This is the D. And this is a minor note, which is flat third. And we also have the flat fifth. We also have the flat fifth here, and we also have the minor 9, the 9 here, which is the 2 chords, the 2 notes. And we, in music there we call it 9. Yeah, I believe all of you are aware of it. Okay, it is a 9 note. Okay, so this is how you place your finger. At first, you bring this index finger to the root note, and this one goes to the minor third, and this ring finger goes to the flat fifth, and this pinky go to the 9th note, which is the re. Then you strum all the chords, all the notes. You can hear the sound. So it gives you that minor tension. It gives you to the minor tension, okay? Alright. Hope you can see it very well. One, two, three is one fret. Then this one you go to the third fret. Okay, the second chord is a G13. Okay, your first note is you go to G, and the second note is you go to the flat 7, which is tall, we all know, in the same fret. You go to tall, here, and you take the ring finger to the Mi, and take the pinky to the second string, which is the La. This La here is making it 13 notes, because if you want to count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, which is just your solver note, but you run it all over, and that gives you a 13 note. It's basically used for jazz progression only. Yeah, so you play it like this. Okay, so I use the chord there. So this is how you play. So we're going now to the third chord, which is the C major 7. The C major 7. Okay. The first note is you go to your C root with your first finger. The second note is you go to your saw here, which is your fifth note, with your ring finger. This one. Then the third note here, you go to your seventh note, which is a T, with your index finger, this one. While the last note is Mi, which is your third note, Mi, you use your pinky finger. Okay, so this is how the note is pronounced. You can harmonize it a little, something like this. Okay, so that is the first note. And please, if you know you are new here, I want you to subscribe to my channel, mikeyguitar.com.